Item number 4.1. So we'll just carry on confirming of the minutes. Ordinary Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting on the 11th of April. 4.1. Just acknowledge the chairman of the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board, Andy Hema. Nice to see you, Andy. And of course, our board member Karen Donnan here this afternoon. Nice to see you guys. All right, 4.2? 4.1. Yep. Any points of clarification for those minutes, please?
Happy to move, Chair.
Happy to move. Councillor Kingy, seconded by Councillor Cousins. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against, carried. Item 4.2. Shortly. Confirming the minutes of the 9th of May for Turangi-Tongariro Community Board minutes. Could I have a mover, please, for those? Thanks, Councillor Kingy, seconded by Councillor Cousins or Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried. Right, item 4.3, extraordinary Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting on the 18th of May. Councillor Kingy.
Happy to move.
Moved by Councillor Kingy, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, carried. Right, 4.4. Item number 4.4, the ordinary Mangakino-Pouakani representative group meeting.
Mr. Chairman,
18th of April. Councillor Body.
Mr. Chairman, prior to you doing that, I'm sorry, I want to get a handle on whether it's later in the agenda in regards of the occupation of the Turangi facilities by DOC. Is that part of the minutes? Because there was a normal meeting, which I believe Councillor Cousin was at, then an extraordinary meeting was called.
Yes.
I've read it, I just can't.
So the minutes are there.
4.4. 4.4, is it?
Yeah.
4.4.
On page 32.
4.3. We'll just confirm those minutes.
Yeah, you just
4.3. So that's, is it in there?
Yeah, 4.3.
Yes, it is in there. Item number 3.
It's in two parts essentially. Your Worship, there's an element there which you've just gone through, which is a resolution of the board, as you'll see there, recommending that council revoke its previous resolution, and then you have a matter subject to the confidential part of the agenda item, which is that recommendation to be discussed.
So that's in the agenda item and the confidential item.
It is due to some commercial elements around the lease amounts, etc.
The reason I raise it, Mr. Chairman, I'd rather do an open meeting and I don't want to go into the confidentiality part, is the fact that what is the procedure for when something's passed, what's the procedure? How long after that is passed can it actually be revoked? Is there a time frame, number of members have to be asked? Because I don't see that being recorded if that was the case.
No.
If I understand the question, then the answer is no. With it being an extraordinary meeting, there's the ability for that committee or that board to make a decision at that stage. So
it could be overturned overnight then, basically.
Not overnight, because there's a notifying process, etc., of an extraordinary meeting. But the fact that it went through an extraordinary meeting means that they were then had the ability to then do what they've done.
Thank you.
No. Okay. All right, 4.4. That's the Mangakino-Pouakani representative group meeting, the 18th of April. I have a mover, please, for those minutes. Moved by Councillor Truman, seconded by Councillor Cousins. Thank you. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried. All right, ordinary Taupo Airport Committee meeting on the 1st of May. Any matters arising? Councillor Rankin.
I did apologise for that meeting and it's not recorded.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, cool.
Oh, yes, it is.
It is.
It is
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. It is too. You are there in
I
lights.
The
misread
chair
it.
gave your apologies in the meeting.
Thank you. I am sorry.
Very
about
effective
that.
chair. All right. Do you have any points of clarification regarding the meeting, councillor? No? No typos? Okay. I have a mover, please, councillor. I have a mover, please. Thank you, councillor Rankin. Seconded by councillor Kingy. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Item 4.6. 4.6, Audit and Risk Committee meeting held on the 15th of May. Any matters arising? No? Have a mover, please. Happy to move that. Councillor Hickling, seconded by councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.